Earring post, when they become loose, it's a major problem for so many people. Women are afraid to wear the earrings because they might just lose it. I'm going to show you a simple way where you can fix this problem. Some people call it butterfly, some people call it post, push buttons, screws, whatever you call it. Take pliers, any pliers that you have in the house. It could be small, it could be one of these, anything household, even kitchen tongs is okay. And put the post on your finger like that. Tighten it slightly, just so, very slightly, not too much, please. Okay, it's real, it's done. Your problem is solved. There's no rocket science to it. These are all handmade things, and with use they become loose. So just don't panic. You can fix it up at home very easily. And if you're getting late, just do it the housewife way. Do it with your teeth and you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this easy tip. Trust me, it is very simple, common sense, but still a lot of people come to the boutique with this problem and they request us to tighten up the post for their earrings, and it's quite surprising. We just do it for them here itself and we'll give it to them. If you have tips and ideas that you can share with us, please let me know. I will learn from you and also share it with our viewers. If all of us will become teachers, who will be a student? So I'm a student here, a lifetime student, and always ready to learn from you. You can write to us on info@nafisadesigns.com or just WhatsApp me on any of my numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to share it with your friends.